Libra, my air babies, positive vibes, motivation, inspiration, elevation, love, light, positive energy, goodwill, peace and healing, abundance and prosperity all your way. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe if this page has been a blessing to you. Your word of the day is I am the light. You are this lighthouse. You are the torch. You are the leader where everyone's following your lead. What are you doing to get out your wilderness? Because everyone is in a dark place right now. And we're trying to figure out how do we get out to be our better selves. But you being the gymnast of the universe, being able to master mind, body, and spirit in balance, you found a way to tap into your gifts. And everybody's watching and figuring how you did it. Hopefully you're willing to share with everyone your mind state, the way that you evolve. Because everyone's watching, we're listening, the world needs you. I need you. I always have hope no matter the ordeal. I have faith in a better future. I turn darkness into light. I open my heart to others and to God, and I'm spiritually strong. Only the strong can survive. Only the spiritually strong really survive and become the light and the standard and help others. Fall in love with your purpose. You fall in love with your service. And you're servicing us so well by just being the great example. I draw light into me and I shine with all my being. So shine, baby, shine, shine, shine. Let nothing dim your light. You're in the right place, right time. And you're progressing to the right places. Congratulations. Love one another. Be kind to one another. Love yourself. I love you too.